Looking to vacation in Ontario, Canada with your wheelchair? I have just the place for you. It is wheelchair friendly and accessible. So stick with me and I will give you an overview of Elmhirst Resort. Their cottages are on a lake with a beautiful view of nature. Welcome to my adventures with MS, or multiple sclerosis. My husband and I decided to spend a weekend at Elmhirst's Resort in the winter of 2025. We booked the couch potato package because it included 2 nights accommodation, as well as breakfast on Saturday, their roast beef dinner on Saturday, and their brunch on Sunday. When you arrive at Elmhirst's Resort, check-in is at the landing, or reception, in the main building. They will give you the keys to the cottage and any other information that you need. We had booked Cottage 2, which is also called a free Spirit Cottage. Okay, so this is Cottage 2, and this is what it looks like when you first come in. Oh, actually, that's the front door. So when you first come in, you're not actually, kind of wrong angle. So this is the kitchen and the main table. That's my bag. Kitchen, fridge, and then we have the living room, which has a beautiful fireplace so you can keep it nice and warm in the winter. Table, couch, fantastic view of the lake. So that's on Rice Lake. All right, so then on this side, so there's the door to outside in the front / back. The side to the bedroom. Okay, so now we have the bed, chair, place for your luggage, fantastic window to outside where you can see the lake. Bedside tables on both sides of the bed. Okay. And then we will back up. There's a table here. There is a TV up there. Okay. And then this is the bathroom. This is why I originally booked this cottage. Because look at all that space. Okay, so then we go in here, turn on the light. There's a window, toilet, grab bar. And then over here is the shower. Look at the size of that shower. It's fantastic. And then we have the shower. And there is, for those people who don't need the bench, there is a shower head. And then all the controls and the shower head and the grab bars are right by the bench. This is a fantastic setup for the shower. Works great. And then over here is the sink. Okay, sink. And then, okay, as you can see, there's the bottom of the sink. So you can see that it is actually very, very high. lots of space under there for your knees. However, it actually makes the sink too high and the mirror very low. See, there's the full mirror. So yeah, this is the one problem I have with this bathroom is the height of the sink. The washroom. And I want to point out that it is really hard to reach this because, as you can see, if I can see, turn this a little bit. Okay. The sink is actually at shoulder level, pretty much, for me. So it's really hard to actually wash your hands, brush your teeth, etc. when I can't actually get anywhere close to the sink, especially for brushing your teeth. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the mirror. So you can see, this is what it looks like. Being higher would be better. Having this lower would be better. They do supply soap, conditioner, and shampoo for the shower, which is great, and hairdryer, which is there. The hairdryer is not actually plugged in, and that I cannot actually reach that from my wheelchair dryer. But as I said, it's the sink that's the issue. All right, into the living room, and then there are stairs upstairs for more bedrooms. Stairs. There you wake up.
Go outside, but just go to the door. It's too snowy. You're bringing too much snow from there.
No, true. It is kind of snowy down here. But I'll just take a little bit of video here, just to show that we have a ramp down here to the driveway. There's a nice ramp there and a ramp out here, and that's what it looks like outside. The cottages include a kitchen, so we brought snacks for Saturday afternoon and drinks for the weekend. We decided not to make our own dinner, and so on Friday when we got there, we decided to eat in their restaurant. Here is the dinner menu for the Hearthside Dining room. My husband got the soup of the day, which was a beef and vegetable. And I got the crab cakes. For the main course, I got the trout and my husband got the meatloaf. For dessert, we decided to share an apple crumble. First, I forgot to take a picture of it. And second, it was so delicious that despite only wanting to have a couple of bites of it, I ate half of it. For breakfast Saturday morning, I went with the omelet with bacon, cheese, and tomato, and my husband ordered the waffles. Both were delicious. In addition to the great food, the other reason I love this restaurant is the view of the lake. Back at the cottage, my husband made me some coffee, and then we sat around enjoying the fire, reading our book, and playing some games.
Back up. I'll help you on that.
Okay.
Just let me move this a little bit. It seems to move.
Move easily?
What?
easily?
Yeah.
Good.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I know that you won't be staying no longer.
No, I want a bit of fresh air. So we can get all the way down to the lake-ish area. And then we can see the lake. Then we can see that it's really, really cold out here because it's like minus 14, or at least minus 14. Feels like that with the wind chill. But there is Rice Lake in the winter. And then we will move in a circle so you can see some other parts of. So that is Cottage 1. It is also a free Spirit Cottage that is accessible. So then this is Cottage 2. So you can see there is upstairs because it has 2 more bedrooms and a washroom up there for more people to stay. But as I said, I really like this one. It has a ramp out the back, or maybe the front, depending on how you look at it. But it has a ramp out this side, and there's a barbecue if you really want it. It works great in the summer. And they have nicely shoveled off the patio and the walkway for me, which is fantastic. Actually, it's not so bad out right now. The wind isn't too bad. And then there's the next cottage over there, and another one farther down. So we are at one end of the resort, and I believe one of those buildings over there, well, we got one of the main ones, and then there's a place to borrow stuff in the summer. There is I believe they put a rink out there too. But again, this is the beautiful outdoor wintry time. We have seen some snowmobiles go by, but I haven't been able to get that on video for you yet. But again, here, and then in the summer, this is a dirt path that actually works well for my wheelchair. I will not attempt to go through the snow today. And yeah, so again, that's the cottage. Quite like it. And then cars are parked on that side. There's the gas for this fireplace, and then the other heating, I guess. And yeah. Alright, so you can see they put this nice patio. They did that a few years ago now. You can see kind of inside. Not really. The reflection's pretty good against the window. And yeah. Like I said, barbecue. This great patio. Which now that I've been out here for a couple of minutes, I will go back in. Okay, so we back up this way, and this ramp, and then back in. It had snowed again during my nap. Okay, view from the window again, and I believe those are ice fishing huts that people are on the lake doing. So for dinner, we ended up driving back over to the restaurant. For dinner on Saturday, both of us ordered the all-you-can-eat roast beef dinner. It was excellent. Here's page 2 of the Couch Potato Package dinner menu. It started with a salad, which was fantastic. I love this salad with the cranberries and their dressing. And again, I forgot to take a picture of my food before I started eating it. I assure you, I did get some vegetables. I ate some broccoli before I hit the roast beef and the Yorkshire pudding. The gravy was so good that my husband dipped some of his roast beef in to get the last of the gravy out of the pitcher. Dessert was a strawberry cake, which was basically a take on a strawberry shortcake. Sunday morning, we woke up early, cleaned up the cottage, and checked out for 10 o'clock. Then we headed for brunch. Sunday brunch was a buffet. I personally find buffets difficult with my wheelchair. The staff did offer to go and get me food from the buffet, but my husband was quite willing to do it himself. Overall, we found the food at Elmhirst to be excellent, and we will definitely come back. After brunch, it was time to head home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment below. For more of my adventures and planning for those, please subscribe below to my channel. Thanks for watching.